Staring at your Sony A1 and seeing only 42 megapixels might seem like a downgrade, but let's unlock its true potential. First, navigate to the camera's main menu. We're looking for the image quality section. Tap on it. Here, you'll find resolution settings labeled L, M, and S. Ensure you have L selected, which signifies the largest file size and highest resolution. Next, let's check the RAW file system. Scroll down within the image quality menu to find the RAW settings. Within RAW settings, observe your current selection for the absolute largest file sizes and uncompromised data. Set this to uncompressed. Now, let's move to the drive mode. Access the camera's drive mode settings, usually found by pressing a dedicated button or navigating the menu. In drive mode, you'll see options for single shooting, continuous shooting, and self-timer. While not directly affecting resolution, certain continuous modes might be misinterpreted if not understood, but ensure you are in a standard shooting mode. A crucial setting is the crop mode. Locate the crop mode option within your camera's menu. If you see options like APS-C or other crop ratios selected, this will significantly reduce your effective megapixel count. Select off or full frame to utilize the A1's entire sensor. With those settings adjusted, check your rear display again. You should now see the full 50 megapixel resolution unlocked, allowing you to capture every detail the Sony A1 is capable of.